Someone made a video showing that they won $2,222.67 from the Memefi giveaway. This is actually my first time seeing somebody who won that giveaway. I mean, with a video evidence, right? Okay, but that's not even the reason why I'm making this video. If you're logged into your Memefi app, you would notice that Memefi has now opened a shopping mall for all participants. Don't mind me, okay? But that's what it looks like now. You can see pretty much here that we've got shops for almost everything. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. In fact, if you want to see all of them, you can go to the shop section. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all an attempt to get your turn. This is, in my opinion, no longer funny and no longer a game. It is more like pre-sales now. If you're wondering what pre-sales are simply you buying before a token launches, okay? You investing into a token before the TGE. That's pretty much what it is now, but it is now repackaged in the form of tap to earn. By the way, before we continue, if you've not noticed, this last one here, if you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page, and if you scroll to the very top, you're going to see that there is a free spin, okay, a free whatever for you to claim. You can just claim this. That's going to give you about 75 spins, which you can use. So, what's my take on this? The previous video I showed you where somebody won $2,000. That's a rare scenario. It is most likely not going to happen to you. You know why? Because of the laws of math. And for that person to make that money, they probably came third, okay? Because if we go to the giveaway section, you can see that the person who comes third bags around $2,000. The person who comes second bags around $3,000, and the first position bags around $4,000 US. Okay, to come third in this kind of thing is pretty hard because the laws of probability would go against you. You know why? Because there are millions of people probably playing this game. So the fact that somebody won that amount, maybe you've seen that video, should not be the motivation for you to start spending money and buying all of these spins. So, but what am I saying? What I'm saying in essence is these games nowadays are now pre-sales, packaged as tap to earn. Okay, so if you trust the project and you have the money that you can afford to lose, why not? You can gamble, right? There is a high chance that you could earn more than most other people, okay? But if you do not have the money and you don't want to risk it, just avoid it. What do you think about the new shopping complex that the Memefi team have for us here? Ladies and gentlemen, we have just 11 days to the TGE of this project. Let's see how much we can actually make from this project. How much do you think we are gonna make? It is gonna be USDT or dust as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have your thoughts in the comment section. This brings all bees. This is Ken signing off for now. Let's go.